Welcome and thank you for being here. My name is Daniel Wetke and I am the Head of Refrigeration Technology Development at Memmert. When it comes to ultra-low temperature storage, there's one aspect that matters above all else: the safety of your samples. In many laboratories, samples stored at ultra-low temperatures represent years of research, irreplaceable data, or critical biological material. Losing them is not an option. Ultra-low temperature storage is not just about reaching -80 degrees Celsius, it is about maintaining stable conditions over long periods of time. In many life science applications, sample storage may not be the most visible part of a project, but when looking at the overall sample journey, it often represents the longest phase. This makes long-term stability a decisive factor. Temperature fluctuations, slow recovery after door openings, or system failures can compromise sample integrity. That is why reliability, stability, and temperature distribution are defining requirements for an ultra-low temperature freezer. Especially when samples need to be preserved not only for days or weeks, but for months or even years. The Memmert ULT Freezer was developed to meet exactly these requirements. It combines precise temperature control, fast recovery times, and high temperature homogeneity to maintain stable storage conditions for sensitive samples. It supplies across the entire storage space, regardless of sample position. Even after door openings, the system returns quickly to the defined set point, minimizing temperature stress on stored material. At the core of the Memmert ULT Freezer is an inverter-based cooling system. This technology allows the compressors to adapt dynamically to changing conditions. It reduces temperature fluctuations, improves efficiency, and contributes to long-term system stability. For you, reliable performance under real laboratory conditions is the result. Because sample protection is critical, the Memmert ULT Freezer incorporates multiple safety mechanisms. Continuous monitoring of all relevant parameters ensures early detection of deviations. In the event of irregularities, visual and acoustic alarms are triggered immediately. An integrated battery-backed alarm system ensures that alerts remain active even during power interruptions. In addition, an optional LN2 emergency cooling system provides an extra layer of protection in the event of a system or grid failure. Operating ultra-low temperature freezers is energy intensive by nature. At the same time, energy efficiency is becoming increasingly important in laboratory environments. The device has been designed with a strong focus on efficiency. Optimized insulation, an intelligent cooling concept, and the use of natural refrigerants help reduce energy consumption without compromising performance. Over the lifetime of the device, this supports predictable and economical operation. The interior of the Memmert ULT has also been designed to support structured organization. Flexible shelving systems and clearly defined storage zones help you organize samples efficiently and reduce door opening times. This not only improves usability, but also supports temperature stability within the chamber. Reliable, ultra-low temperature storage also requires transparency and traceability. The ULT supports continuous data logging and remote monitoring options. Relevant parameters can be accessed and reviewed at any time. This supports documentation requirements, quality assurance processes, and secure operation, even during long-term storage. With the Memmert ULT Freezer, we focus on what matters most: protecting your samples over the long term. A solution designed for stability, reliability, and confidence, so you can focus on your research, knowing that your samples are safely stored.